Most reviews on the smoothie diet tell you what it's supposed to do. I wanted to know what it actually does, so I put it through the matrix, broke down the mechanism, checked the ingredients, looked at what real users are reporting. This is the review matrix. Here's what I found. Here's what's actually going on with stubborn weight and low energy. Most people dealing with it aren't failing because they haven't tried. They're failing because the things they've tried only address cutting calories, not the real reason the weight keeps coming back. That quiet frustration of doing everything right and still not moving, that's the gap the smoothie diet is designed for. When I broke down how the smoothie diet actually works, it targets weight loss plateaus directly with specific nutrient sequences, not just random smoothie recipes. That's the distinction that matters. Most standard meal plans work at the symptom level, which is why you get results that fade. This goes a layer deeper, shifting the ingredient ratios week to week to keep your metabolism guessing. More targeted, less guesswork. Running through the key components, the custom 3-week schedule, this is the one that stood out most because it directly addresses the frustration of hitting a wall. It tells you exactly what to drink and when. The 3-day detox bonus, which I hadn't seen formulated this way in this category before, it acts as an immediate reset before the main program even starts. Weekly shopping lists and prep guides, easy to overlook, but it's what makes the other two actually compound instead of cancel each other out. It removes the daily friction of figuring out what to buy and make. Based on the breakdown and what consistent users are reporting, early on, usually within the first 3 to 7 days, most people notice a sharp spike in energy and a drop in water weight. That tends to build into looser-fitting clothes and visible fat loss with consistency, and longer-term, a complete metabolic reset and glowing skin without feeling starved. Not a straight line, but a clear direction. That's what the pattern shows. The protocol is simple. Replace specific meals with the exact smoothie assigned for that day. Fits into a busy daily routine without friction. The timeline most people report meaningful results, 21 days. Not a disclaimer, just how cumulative mechanisms work. The first week is laying the foundation. The compounding kicks in after. One variable I always factor in, refund policy. The smoothie diet comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee. I treat that as a confidence metric. Companies don't offer real return windows on products they know underdeliver. It also means if it doesn't work for your situation, you're not absorbing the full risk. That's a relevant input. If the mechanism checks out for your situation and the problem I described is where you actually are, the link to the official page is in the description. Direct link, no resellers, no markup. Right now, they are running a $20 off discount. Go through it, cross-check what I've covered, and run your own matrix. You've got everything you need to decide. If you've already run your own test on the smoothie diet, I genuinely want to hear what you found. Drop it in the comments. The more data points, the clearer the picture gets for everyone.